Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The following table shows the land in square feet owned by the owners. Find the mean area of the land owned by each owner. So this is basically group data. So we can find mean using this relation, that is summation of Fi into Mi divided by summation of Fi. Now this is class frequency and Mi is class mark or class midpoint. So we will need two more rows here, one for class midpoint or class mark of each class and one for multiplication of class frequency and class mark. So let's do that. So this is Mi. So 1000 plus 1400 is 2400, which is 2400 by 2, we get 1200. 1400 plus 1800 is 3200 and 3200 by 2 is 1600. Similarly, this will be 2000, this will be 2400 and this will be 2800. Now let's write the multiplications of Fi and Mi. So let's see what we get these as. We need a column for totaling these two. Okay, 18 into 1200. So 18 2s are 36, 18 1s are 18 plus 3 is 21. So 21600. This is 32000. This is 16 2s are again 32, again 3 zeros. 24 2s are 48, 3 zeros. Now 26 8s are we have 208, 26 2s are we have 52, 52 plus 20 is 72 and then 2 zeros. So these are the multiplications of Fi's and Mi's. So the total will be, let's see, 216 plus 320 is going to be 536. So 536 plus 320 is 3 plus 2 5 and 5 plus 3 8. So 856. 856 plus 480 is 8 plus 5 13 and 8 plus 5 13. So we have 1336. Now 1336 plus 1336 plus 728, it's going to be 6 plus 8 14, 6, so 4 6, and then 7 plus 3 is 0, and then we have 1 plus 1, let's see, 2, so 2064, and there are 2 zeros over here. So summation of this multiplication is 2,06,400, and the total of all the frequencies is 16 plus 26 is 42, 42 plus 18 is 16, or 60 plus 40 is 100. So we have 100 here. Therefore, mean will be equal to 206,400 divided by 100, which is equal to 2064 square feet. This is equal to 2064 square feet. Answer is option D.